half the population is of women, and young women in the country are increasingly wanting to enter politics but do not know how to, and do not understand how large policies, big policies framed by governments really affect their lives. So Priyadarshini program is one such forum where we empower young voices to ask questions, to understand policy, to understand politics, and to aspire to enter politics. A lot of young minds to ask questions, to clear their doubts about governance and policy, and also to engage with the Congress party, which they think is the future of the country, and to ensure the progressive future of themselves. Along with my Mahila Congress President, Pratima Coutinho, and my National Coordinator, Seema Fernandez, we're here today to meet lots of young women girls who have many issues about gender pay gap, about working women hostels, about campaigns against child rape, and each of them is very interested in taking an active part in politics and not just watching from the sidelines. So I'm very happy to be here in Goa and meet so many young minds who are alive in conversation and debate.